All right, folks, what we're going to be doing here is talking about breaking even analysis. So there's a restaurant company, they decided they're going to put in $10,000 initial. It's going to cost them $1.90 to produce the product, and $3.99 is what they're going to charge the customers. So what we need to do is we need to create two equations here that are going to be used to represent how to break even. So at what point are they going to break even? How many are they going to need to sell of this new item in order to break even? So the first equation we're going to look at is going to be the cost to them. So the cost is going to be equal to what it's costing them to produce it times the number that they're producing plus the initial amount. So that's going to be $1.90x, and then that's going to be plus 10,000. Okay, and then we need to talk about the revenue, which the revenue is just what they're charging for customers. So the revenue is going to be just $3.99x then, $3.99x. So when we break even, breaking even is actually when the cost is equal to the revenue. So at this point, this is the break-even point. So what we need to do is simply set these two equations equal to each other and solve for x. So that's going to be $3.99 x, and then we're going to set that equal to $1.90 x plus 10,000. So when I bring over the $1.90 x, it's going to leave me with $2.09 x equals 10,000. So when I divide 10,000 by $2.09, I'm going to get approximately 4,785. So X, they're going to have to sell 4,785 of the product in order to break even. So let's say we just wanted to, this is breaking even, right? So this is one part. But let's say we wanted to know if they wanted to make a $12,000 profit. Well, if they wanted to make profit, then all we would have to do is take the revenue and just figure out how much of that they needed to do. So to determine the profit of 12,000, just a little bit more basic math here, all we would do is take that 12,000 and say, okay, how many do I need to sell then to get that? So that's going to be my 12,000. That's going to be what the revenue is. And the revenue is going to equal what the cost of the product was, $3.99 times the x. So now we do 12,000 divided by the $3.99, and that's going to give me about 3,008. So x here is going to equal 3,008. Now keep in mind, we needed this many, 4,785, to break even. So I'm going to have to add the two values together. So when I add the 3,008 to the 4,785, this is how many it's going to take to give me a profit of 12,000. So that's going to be 7,793 is what it's going to take of selling that product to give me a profit of 12,000.